everyone, my name is Rutuja Patel and I am here to discuss about Introduction to Strategic Management and its process. So, what is management? Management is an art of getting things done through people with the use of resources in an effective and efficient manner. Can anybody tell what is strategy? Strategy is an action plan which is designed to achieve business objectives and its goals. So what is strategic management? Strategic management is a bunch of activities which involve setting of goals, analyzing the external market or competitive environment, or analyzing the internal organization, then evaluating of strategies and ensuring that the organization or management rolls out that strategies across the firm. So let's learn about strategic management process. Strategic management is a continuous process that appraises the business and industries in which the organization is involved. It appraises the competitors and fixes goals to meet all the present and future competitors and then reassesses each strategy. We move forward on strategic management process steps. There are total 4 steps. First, environment scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and the last, strategy evaluation. Where environmental scanning refers to a process of collecting, scrutinizing, and providing information for strategic purposes. It helps in analyzing the internal and external factors influencing the organization. After executing the environmental analysis process, management should evaluate it on a continuous basis and strive to improve it. On the other hand, strategy formulation is the process of deciding course of action for accomplishing organizational objectives and hence achieving organizational purpose. After conducting environmental scanning, managers formulate corporate business and functional strategies. Whereas strategy implementation implies making the strategy work as intended or putting the organization's chosen strategy into an action. Strategy implementation include designing the organization structure, distributing resources, developing decision-making process, and managing human resource. Lastly, strategy evaluation is the final step of the strategy management process. The key strategies activities are appraising the internal and external factors that are the root of present strategies, measuring the performance, and taking remedial and corrective actions. Evaluation makes sure that the organization strategies as well as its implementation meets the organizational objectives. So now I want to conclude that strategic management is an ongoing process. Therefore, it must be realized that each component interacts with the other components and that this interaction should often happen in chorus. Thank you.